Hello guys and welcome at today's video where we are going to have a look on how I change RAM in my home server and why you might want to have one as well, and also for what I need it and also for what I'm using it at the moment. So let's get into it. Also, this is the walkthrough. I'm doing it for the first time. I was just trying it how to open the mini computer before the video, and yeah, so let's get into it. So I have it for my trading. I'm playing with trading, so I'm building trading bots that are like just my small experiments, and it is something of a guilty pleasure for me because I'm keep getting it back even though I'm not making any money from it. And so this is one thing that I like it to just use for my experiments and to play with AI and with all these running tasks basically. And the second reason that is like for what you really might want to buy something like this is mini PC that is cheap. It costs like 2000 it costs like €100, so it's pretty cheap. So yeah, I have here on it at the moment 3 Hermes agents, which is basically something like OpenClaw, and I'm using them with my ChatGPT $20 subscription, and basically they are doing for me some work. One is my COO that is currently serving just for daily checkups, and the one that is doing the most work at the moment, his name is Mark because he's doing marketing, and he is posting videos, images, and basically content on LinkedIn for my company being Labs. And so it's using HeyGen API and also OpenAI's API for generating images and doing tasks on the server. And third one is Herb, which is a coding agent. He's just doing small projects. I need to test it and really be sure that it's capable of doing that work. So this was really a quick and short video. So bye bye.